Love for firearms is born for various reasons, one of which is to feel protected and secure, and rightly so, judging by the increasing danger around in recent times. There's no better time to own a firearm to keep you safe, although some people buy firearms for the fun of it. Self-defense is arguably the major reason people buy guns, especially civilians. That's why self-defense pistols are the most sought-after category on the firearm market, with concealable, powerful pistols being hot on the searches. Versatility is an indispensable quality of a great firearm, especially for self-defense. Anyone would want their pistol to be able to perform several functions. It saves costs and makes it easier to familiarize yourself with a particular firearm. It just generally makes shooting far more interesting. Today, we'd like to show you the top 10 versatile pistols for self-defense in 2024. I'm sure you'll love our collection. And so, without any further ado, let's get the ball rolling. Glock pistols are generally very versatile, and the Glock 19 Gen 5 is no exception. Designed to be highly concealable yet robust enough for home use, the Glock 19 Gen 5 packs a 15+1 round capacity, which makes it an ideal home defense option, and its improved trigger design, ambidextrous slide stop, and enhanced grip texture ensure comfortable and secure handling, further translation for more accurate shot placement. If you're at home, of course, an accurate pistol is what you should be looking for. The Gen 5 model boasts several upgrades over previous Glock 19 generations, such as an improved barrel and a front slide serration for easier manipulation. It also features the Glock Marksman barrel for enhanced accuracy, making it a great choice for home defense situations that require precise tactical shooting. As for the price, the Glock 19 Gen 5 costs around $500 to $700, a versatile option. The Mossberg MC2C is a compact, versatile, and high-capacity 9mm pistol designed for concealed carry and self-defense. With a standard magazine capacity of 14 rounds and an extended magazine option offering 16 rounds, the MC2C provides ample firepower for self-defense scenarios. The MC2C slide is designed for easy mounting of micro red dot sights, providing rapid target acquisition and enhanced accuracy. The pistol's grip features aggressive texturing and interchangeable backstraps, which makes for a comfortable and secure hold for shooters with different hand sizes. Mossberg's innovative takedown system allows you to disassemble the MC2C without pulling the trigger, promoting safety during maintenance. It's also built with quality materials and a durable finish, making its performance reliable in various conditions. This pistol has an average retail price of around $300 to $400, depending on the seller and any current promotions. C for compact. Yep, that's what the CZP-10C is. Compact and powerful. It's a compact striker-fired pistol that has gained popularity for its performance, ergonomics, and reliability. It's often compared to other compact handguns like the Glock 19, positioning itself as a strong contender in the everyday carry and duty markets, maybe even beating some pistols security officers boast of. Imagine a pistol being so good in many areas. That's unmatched versatility. The P10C is designed with remarkable ergonomics, providing a comfortable grip that many users find superior to other striker-fired pistols. This contributes to better handling and control of your gun during shooting. If you're a security officer looking for a more concealable option for your pistol, you found your gun, but it doesn't get off the shelf unless you have around $400 with you, which is pretty cheap for a pistol of its kind if you ask me. You may not truly understand what versatility means in a pistol if you haven't met the 6-hour P365X Macro. The 6-hour P365X Macro is a modern iteration of the P365 series designed to offer enhanced performance and versatility for concealed carry and tactical applications. It combines a compact design with a higher capacity, making it a popular choice among firearm lovers. It includes a compensated slide, which helps reduce muzzle rise and recoil, and allows for faster follow-up shots and improved control during firing. It also features a 3.1-inch barrel that balances concealability with accuracy, suitable for both close quarters and moderate range shooting. With a mag capacity of 17 plus 1 rounds, you'll have enough ammunition for your self-defense needs. The 6-hour P365X Macro costs around $900 to $1,000 to get off the shelf, depending on your location, specific retailer, or model. The Walther PDP Compact must be in that conversation when talking about versatile pistols. One of the most notable aspects of the PDP Compact is its optics-ready configuration. The slide features a factory mill cut designed to accommodate various red dot sights, allowing shooters to customize their setup for improved accuracy and target acquisition. If you're a competitive shooter, then you've also found your guy, but it's also for those seeking enhanced performance in self-defense scenarios. If you're looking for a versatile, trusty pistol, then this is it. As I mentioned earlier, it's versatile enough for various uses, including home defense, law enforcement, and competitive shooting. The PDP Compact also boasts a magazine capacity of 15 rounds, providing you with a generous supply of ammunition without sacrificing compactness. The Walther PDP Compact has a price that typically ranges from $499 to $650. The Stoker STR-9SC costs just $300, which is pretty cheap, right? Well, it features a lightweight polymer frame, a corrosion-resistant black nitride finish, and a textured backstrap for a comfortable grip. Not that all these make it cheap though, because those are quality materials. It also has an internal safety and a cock striker indicator for added safety. This pistol has a 10+1 capacity and is compatible with Glock 17 magazines. It's highly versatile, and whatever magazine works for Glock can also be used for this one. It comes equipped with standard 3-dot sights, which is common in many handguns, providing a straightforward aiming solution. The STR-9SC has been noted for its accuracy and reliability during testing. Reviews highlight that it performs well with various types of ammunition, making it a dependable choice for both new and experienced shooters. It's certainly a good option for those looking for a reliable, subcompact, and semi-automatic pistol without breaking the bank. Built to meet stringent military standards, the Beretta PX4 Storm Compact has been reported to fire over 150,000 rounds without breakage, so when using it for everyday carry, you can be sure that you're getting an exceptional and reliable everyday carry pistol. The Beretta PX4 Storm Compact is a highly capable and versatile handgun that's perfect for concealed carry and self-defense. The pistol's ambidextrous safety allows for safe and easy handling by both left and right-handed shooters. Its compact design makes it easy to conceal and carry comfortably all day without sacrificing performance. This pistol costs just around $600 to $700 to purchase. The Beretta PX4 Storm Compact is a solid option for those looking for a reliable and versatile everyday carry pistol. A solid option indeed. If you're talking versatile, then the Shadow Systems CR920 Elite is an exceptional choice to consider. The Shadow Systems CR920 Elite is a compact, optics-ready semi-automatic pistol designed for concealed carry. It's particularly noted for its compatibility with Glock 43X holsters, which makes it a versatile choice for users familiar with Glock-style firearms. Glock accessories are easy to find, cost-effective, and durable, making your journey with this pistol much easier. If you consider power, this pistol also stands out with a huge 13+1 round capacity, allowing for a good balance of firepower in a compact frame. You know what that means for self-defense, right? It's certainly a plus. The Shadow Systems CR920 Elite costs around $800 in the firearm market, which is a very good price for a versatile pistol like this. And that's a wrap of the top 10 versatile pistols for self-defense in 2024. Tell us, what's your favorite pistol on this list? We'll be waiting to read your comments. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. You can also hit the notification bell to get instant updates whenever we make a new upload. Until the next one, thanks for watching.